To install Android games on your Windows PC, follow these steps. Visit the official website. Go to the Google Play Games beta website in your web browser. Click on the Download Beta button on the website. The installation package will start downloading. Once the download is complete, execute the installation package. A window will prompt you to log in with your Google account, and that's it. You'll be able to play mobile games on your PC using Google Play Games Beta. Enjoy a bigger screen and improved controls.